Do you know where the wheels and tyres are for the purple one? On the shelf. What video did we shoot last?
The ARRMA Limitless 120.
Gotta check we didn't have anything from the crawler in the background. That would be a bit of a fail, wouldn't it? The Quake and Gorgon Grom. Big monster truck fun in a tiny package.
Breakthrough to a new dimension. Step into my world at your own discretion.
So why did we add the Gorgon and Quake to the ARRMA Grom lineup? To first fully understand this, I'm going to explain the full Grom lineup to you right now. The ARRMA Grom lineup just stands for small size fun, drive it anywhere, easy to work on, incredibly durable, perfect whether you're in a small space or a larger space, and each of the Groms drive in a completely different character. We have the Typhon Grom. This is the low center of gravity, buggy style, drive anywhere, high performance beast. Then we have the Mojave Grom. This is the more realistic looking desert truck. This is a small scale, realistic appearance, which you can drive in a more dynamic and interesting, realistic kind of way. And then the original Grom, the ARRMA Granite Grom. This is almost like the sports kind of truck. More like a traditional RC monster truck would be. It's got a low center of gravity chassis, monster truck body style, big wheels and tires, and this is incredibly fun, but it's low and it's a bit like a sports monster truck. Bringing in the Gorgon and Quake Grom now, and you can see as a comparison to the original Granite Grom, it's a lot more of a substantial high center of gravity monster truck. So this car has the highest center of gravity chassis. It's a bit more narrow, massive wheels and tires, well, as massive as Grom wheels and tires can get. But this has a much different driving experience. It's much more top heavy. It'll roll around a lot. It'll wheelie on command, and you can also do some tricks with this truck as well. Let's make a bit of a curve to the ramp, and I think I can get a backflip out of this. They look different, they drive different, and these are perfect add to your range of Groms. Thank you, Grant. Back to the shelf for you. The Quake and Gorgon Grom trucks come as complete RTR. Everything you need is in the box. So you obviously have the truck and radio color matched, so you know exactly which is which. We've got the AA batteries for your radio, so we've got that covered as well. Got a few tools, a 2mm driver and a box wrench for any minor maintenance requirements that you need to do, but honestly you're never going to need to work on this truck at all. It does come with a Spectrum 1400 mAh 2S battery and a matching smart charger. This is Spectrum Smart technology. You just plug it in, it deals with everything for you, you're good to go. We've got the instruction manual, the quick start guide, a little bit of Spectrum flyer sheet which helps to introduce you to Spectrum Smart. There's the Quake and Gorgon support card. Scan these, take you straight to the useful information on the website. And we also include a bunch of preload spaces to change the preload on your shocks, and a few little battery clips to help you to fit a larger battery if you needed it. These trucks come in 3 different colors for each different body style. So let's just grab a few here. Quake in red, Gorgon in red. We'll go here. Quake in purple and pink. This one is absolutely on fire, this colour. Gorgon in a bronze colour with bronze wheels, looks fantastic. Quake in a bright green colour, matching wheels, looks incredible. And then finally we have the original kind of nod to the 10th scale Gorgon in the bright yellow colour scheme. So who exactly are these trucks for? They're essentially for anybody, and your skill level is completely irrelevant. If you have no RC experience at all, you can drive these flat out, bounce them into curves, do whatever you want to do with them. They are super tough. We have literally beat the shit out of these cars over the course of testing and filming the promo video, and nothing ever broke. If you are more experienced with RC, then these trucks can be a little bit of a trick truck. We've got the wheelie bar at the back to do those fantastic wheelies. The power and the weight distribution of this car, with it being high center of gravity, allows you to do a lot of stunts with it, and it balances on its nose. So you can drive it in reverse on its nose, doing those nose wheelies as you see in the big American monster trucks. In the future, if you wanted to change your body style, it's just as simple as switching the bodies over. Each of the trucks is intercompatible with the other, so you can have a Gorgon on a Quake and a Quake on a Gorgon, and you're good to go. And speaking of the bodies, we have the quick release body system. It's completely clipless, no external clips will be seen. We have the license plate to activate the rear release, and then underneath the front bumper section here, we've got a front release lever here. Once the bodies are off, both the Gorgon and the Quake are exactly the same, aside from a few details which are colour matched to the specific colour variant you purchased. The shock springs and the wheels, which are colour matched, everything else is exactly the same. The power system in this vehicle is the Mega line, so it's a brushed motor, 2S battery, and that is absolutely more than enough power for these high centre of gravity trucks. When it comes to the radios, we're using the Spectrum SLT2 radio, perfect for the size of this vehicle. Really nice throttle and steering controls. It's got a steering trim, dual rate, and it also has the throttle limiting position, so you can slow these cars down to 50, 75, or go full 100% power. Each of the radios is colour matched to the colour variant which you buy, so if you've got a bunch of your friends with these trucks, then you'll know which controller controls which vehicle. We've got an absolutely bulletproof transmission in here. This is the brushless ready transmission in this car. It's the metal oil-filled diffs, front and rear. We've got the steel axles front and rear. We have metal wheel hexes front and rear. So this car is absolutely ready to receive brushless power. We have tested these as brushless, and honestly, they're just a little bit too mad. There's far too much power to make these fun to drive. We won't ever be releasing brushless versions of the Gorgon or Quake Grom. It's literally undrivable. I've actually just found the brushless prototype that we have. It's absolutely insane, far too much power than you can really deal with in a car. Just look at this. And this is why we went with the brushed Mega power system with 2S. This is a brand new design chassis focused around having a higher center of gravity, more ground clearance, and just a lot more fun from the slower brushed Mega power system, and this is absolutely the right power system for this vehicle. But if you want to throw a brushless system in these trucks, then go ahead, I'm not going to stop you. The battery installation method for this vehicle is also brand new. We've got turn lock tabs which allow you to easily slot the battery in on its side and then lock the tabs like so, and the battery is fully secured. When the battery is in place, simply plug in the IC2 connector, and then we've got a wire retention caddy down the middle. Push it down the middle, it locks in place, and all your wires are safe and tidy. To remove the battery is just as simple. Just unlock the tabs here and pull the wire out like so. Another feature of the Gorgon and Quake Grom is these long travel shocks. High oil volume, real smooth shock action. They feel absolutely dialed. And these will be able to take you across any terrain you can throw at this. At the rear of this truck, we've got this brand new design wheelie bar. This is a dampened, shock absorbing wheelie bar which gives you high wheelie angles, and you can hold these wheelies all day long. All of these small details and innovation that we've put into these trucks are not really what the truck is all about. We've put all the work and effort into these trucks to make them absolutely bulletproof, so you can have a completely no hassle experience. Throw a battery in it and just send it wherever you want to send it. Whether you're an experienced hobbyist who drives 8S or 12S vehicles all the time, then you'll have a blast driving these little trucks around the living room or in the backyard. Or whether you have never experienced an RC car in your life, you can pick this truck up and you'll find it almost unbreakable.